Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about preposition. There are three types of prepositions. First is preposition of time. Sesuai namanya, preposition ini menunjukkan keterangan waktu. Preposition ini yang kita pakai ada tiga, yaitu in, on, atau at. Look at the pyramid. So preposition of time, non-specific time of day, month, year, or season, we use in. And then day or date, the preposition of time yang kita pakai on. And then for the specific time, the preposition of time-nya yang kita pakai adalah at. Kemudian untuk preposition of place yang berikutnya, preposition menunjukkan keterangan tempat, misalnya in dipakai kalau tempatnya untuk cakupannya luas sekali, ya, misalnya negara atau kota. Jadi preposition of place kita menggunakan in untuk country or city, kemudian street or vehicle kita menggunakan preposition of place on, dan untuk specific address kita menggunakan preposition at. Oke, next. Preposition yang ketiga adalah, atau the third preposition is preposition of method and manner. Preposition yang ini menunjukkan bagaimana sesuatu itu dilakukan. Biasanya ada dua yang umumnya dipakai. Yang pertama, by, yaitu menunjukkan apa yang kita lakukan untuk memperoleh hasil tertentu. Misalnya, he lost a lot of weight by exercising regularly. Contoh kedua, they went to Jogja by bus. Kemudian, preposition method and manner yang kedua adalah kata with. Menunjukkan sikap, cara, atau benda yang digunakan dalam melakukan sesuatu. Misalnya, the thief broke the glass door with a rock. And then the second example, the victims of the incident screamed with terror. Okay, so ini in English-nya, what is a preposition actually? So what is a preposition? The answer is a preposition is one of the parts of speech that correlates between two different words or phrases, usually about the time or place. There are some prepositions that can be see in the slide. The first one is aboard, and then the second one about, and then next above, across, after, against, along, among, around, as, and then at, before, behind, below, beside, besides, between, beyond, but, by, despite, down, during, except, for, from, in, inside, into, like, near, of, on, onto, outside, per, plus, round, safe, since, towards, under, unlike, until, up, upon, versus, via, and with. This is taken from the WNU atau www.onlymyenglish.com. Okay, now let's see the exercise 1. So this is prepositions of place in the house. So you can look at the picture. Complete the sentence with the right preposition of place according to the picture. Let's see number 1. The mirror is blah, 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 the wall, blah, 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 the picture. So the answer is the mirror is on the wall behind the picture. The picture is blah, 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 the radiator. So the answer is the picture is on the left atau on the right the radiator? Oke, yang mana ini radiatornya ya? Atau above ya. Kalau ini radiator berarti above the radiator. And then number 2, the coat rack is blah 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 the door and the bookcase. So the answer, the coat rack is between the door and the bookcase. Okay, next, number 3, the chair is blah 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 the shelf. So the chair is
Under.
yeah, that's good. So the chair is under the shelf. And then how about the plant? The plant is
Above.
on ya, mungkin ya. On the shelf ya. Atau above juga bisa ya, di atas rak ya. The socket is blah 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 the chair. So the socket is below ya, mungkin di bawahnya ya. Bisa under, bisa below. So below the chair. Kemudian there is a lamp blah 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 the ceiling. It can be on ya. So there is a lamp on the ceiling and another lamp near ya. Atau next to ya. Next to itu dekat dengan the cupboard and next to the mirror atau we can say on the left ya. On the left of the cupboard and on the right of the mirror misalnya ya. Kemudian number 5, the door is apa kira-kira?
Beside.
The door is blah 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 the coat rack. Near ya. Next to mungkin bisa. Next to itu di sebelahnya ya. Atau beside ya. The door is beside atau next to the coat rack. And the last one sekarang the cupboard is, where is the cupboard? Yang tengah ini ya. So the cupboard in the middle atau dekat ya. Next to the mirror. The cupboard is next to the mirror and mungkin cupboard yang ini ya.
Iya, ma'am.
Between ya. Between the radiator and the bookcase. Okay. And then try to write similar sentences according to the picture below. So use the correct preposition. Number 1, alarm clock. Alarm clock ya. So where is the alarm clock? Okay, this is the alarm clock. So we can say the atau the ya. The alarm clock is on the cupboard misalnya ya. Kemudian how about the bed? The bed is between
Cupboard.
bedside table ya. Ini ada bedside table itu ini meja yang ada di samping ya. Kemudian the bookcase is in the middle ya, in the middle of cupboard and bedside table atau we can say the bookcase, ini bukan bookcase ya. Ya kayaknya bookcase ya. So the bookcase next to, bisa juga pakai next to cupboard and so on ya. Ini banyak sekali. Ini ada socket and radiator ya. Okay, next we go to the dialogue. So let's practice the following dialogue. Okay, let's see dialogue 1. I will become A, ya. Okay. Do you know my book?
What book?
My English notebook.
I think I saw it.
Where you see it?
Is that your book? It's on the desk.
Ya. Ini is that your book maksudnya ya. It's on the desk.
Oh.
Thank you.
By the way, do you see my sharpener?
I think I saw it this morning.
Can you tell me where is it?
It is atau it's ya. It's near to the chair.
Oh, thank you.
Hey, what are you talking about? Seharusnya ini ada
Nothing.
yang C ya. It's okay. Oh, nothing ya. Oh, saya lagi ya ini ya. So, oh, nothing. We just lost our stuffs, but we just found it. Yang C nggak ada, mungkin bisa digantikan.
Oh, I see. By the way, after the school, do you want to join me to the restaurant?
Where is it?
It's behind the school.
Okay.
Sure.
Yeah, okay, that's good. Now we go to dialogue 2. Okay, I will become A. Yeah. Were you the first to arrive in class?
Yes, I arrived at 6:25 minutes earlier.
Wow, you arrived at school very early in the morning.
My father has to leave early for work, so I also deliver earlier than usual.
Okay, now we go to dialogue 3. I just found out that your family once lived in Pontianak.
Yes, my family moved to Pontianak in 2005 when my father moved to work.
So, when did your family move to Jakarta?
My family returned to Jakarta again in 2017.
Yeah, okay. So, if you check atau if you see the dialogue, there are some preposition we use. The first is yang tadi dialog pertama ada on ya yang saya pulled, and then near, kemudian behind, and then the second dialog ada in, preposition in, and then at. So at can be used to show the time ya. So preposition of time, and also it can be used to preposition of place ya. Misalnya ini ya, at school ya. Wow, you arrived at school. Jadi ada dua macam penggunaan preposition at ya. Very early in the morning. Kemudian dialog 3 we have in ya. In we use the preposition of place in ya, and preposition time. Jadi in bisa dipakai juga untuk preposition of place and preposition of time ya. Ada in 2005, in 2017. Kemudian in juga menunjukkan apa tadi menurut diagramnya tadi apa piramidnya itu area atau daerah yang luas ya, city atau country. Okay, this is the references. Okay, thank you very much. And my quote is enjoy our life and practice more. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Goodbye.
Thank you, ma'am.